Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to find your bank statements on the TD app in 2025. With the latest updates, banking has become even more streamlined and user-friendly, helping you manage your finances right from your phone. Whether you're preparing for taxes, tracking expenses, or just staying organized, this guide will get you there in minutes. First, make sure you have the TD app installed. If not, download the 2025 version from your App Store. It's packed with new features like enhanced AI search and personalized dashboards. Once installed, open the app and log in using your username, password, or the new biometric options for faster access. Now, on the main dashboard, you'll see an overview of your accounts. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of all your linked accounts, such as checking, savings, or credit cards. Next, select the specific account you want statements for by tapping on it. For example, if it's your checking account, choose that one. Once inside, look for the Statements or Transaction History section. It's usually highlighted with a clear icon in the 2025 update. In the Statements area, you'll see a list of available months or years. You can scroll through them or use the search bar to find a particular statement quickly. To view or download, simply tap on the statement you need. It might give you options to save as a PDF, email it, or even analyze it with AI Insights. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, ensure your app is fully updated, as 2025 brings security enhancements that might require a refresh. Also, check your app permissions to make sure everything is enabled. And there you have it. You're all set to access your bank statements hassle-free. This process not only saves time but also keeps your financial info secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.